Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Hicope syrup, weak coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Mankind Pharma Ltd. Hicope syrup. Uses. Hicope syrup is mainly prescribed for the treatment of anxiety and also for skin conditions that involve inflammation and itching, such as eczema, dermatitis, and psoriasis. Benefits. In anxiety, Hicope syrup helps reduce excessive worry and restlessness during short-term stressful events like job interviews, exams, or stage performances. It can improve focus, reduce tiredness, and help you feel more relaxed. In skin conditions like eczema, dermatitis, or psoriasis, Hicope syrup reduces redness, rash, itching, and irritation by blocking chemicals that trigger inflammation, making the skin feel calmer and more comfortable. Side effects. Like all medicines, Hicope syrup may cause some side effects. The most common ones include dizziness, blurred vision, constipation, and dryness of mouth. If these effects persist or worsen, seek medical advice. How to use. Take Hicope syrup exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Shake the bottle well before use. Measure the dose with the provided cup and take it by mouth. It can be taken with or without food, but try to take it at the same time every day for best results. How it works. Hicope syrup is an antihistamine medicine. For allergies and skin issues, it works by blocking histamine, the chemical that causes itching, swelling, and rashes. For short-term anxiety, it reduces overactivity in the brain, making you feel relaxed and calm.